G'day guys, Luke here from Adventure Photography, and I've got a bit of an announcement to make. If you've been following my social media lately, you might have seen that I'm off on a different kind of adventure. One with my family. My wife and kids are actually moving to London. My wife, the incredibly talented Amelia, has been offered a job opportunity in London. So we're heading off, we're packing up, and as such, I'm handing over the reins of adventure photography to none other than John Lechner right here. John is the perfect candidate to take over adventure photography. He's a photographer, he's passionate about the outdoors, and if you're thinking about coming on an adventure photography trip or have been thinking about coming on one with me, I can tell you right now there's no better person than John to be taking the reins. John, congratulations and welcome to Adventure Photography.
Thanks, Luke. I'm excited. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I think we've got some plans to grow the business and to do some different things and build on what you've already built, because you know, the business as it is today is great, and we've got a vision that focuses on what you've created, and bringing more people into nature and making it really easy to have a great time out in nature, go camping, take some great photos and have a bit of fun.
And that's one of the things I think that we touched on straight away when talking about making this changeover, was the fact that you are equally as passionate about getting people outdoors and sharing the experience with others.
Yeah, absolutely. I love going camping, I love hiking and being out indoors. For me, it's sharing that with other people, sharing a sunrise or a sunset, or sitting under a waterfall taking some great photos. I love doing that, and I really want to share that. Share my passion for nature, but also share my passion for photography and help people.
Yeah, well, I can for one say, mate, that I'm incredibly excited about your vision for the company. We've obviously had discussions about where you want to take the business, and you know, I'm really excited to see where it goes. I'm really proud of what I've built with the business so far, and I'm so glad that it's going to someone who shares my vision and can expand on it when, you know, otherwise I was just going to have to put it on ice for a couple of years until I get back, and I didn't want that. I want to see the business grow and succeed, and mate, I'm really excited to see where it goes and what you do with it.
Yeah, I'm excited, and you know, the thing is, although it's goodbye for the moment, it's not forever, and hopefully in a couple of years' time we'll see you back and we can get you along, and we can go off on adventures together and take people to some really cool places.
Sounds like an excellent plan. I'm really keen on that. Yeah.
Great.
Let's just remind everybody who's watching, you've already started scheduling. When's your first weekend?
Yeah, so the first weekend is the 11th and 12th of August, and then we've got one backing up on the 1st and 2nd of September, because we've already had a lot of interest and we want to make sure that we can get everybody in.
Fantastic. Well, if you're interested, jump on the website, don't forget to book, come along and have an amazing experience with adventure photography and the new owner, John Lechner.